Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have for you guys this Valentine's makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you everything that I did to create this look. I want to let you guys know that I did my eyebrows behind camera, so if you guys want to see more of like into step by step, you can go check my video that I'm probably going to leave this side, yes, that I'm going to leave here. In that video, you're gonna see what I used to fill in my eyebrows. That's it. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button down below to let me know. For this entire eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette.
Real Life Women Productions.
Now for the eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes.
Real Life Women Productions.
For primer, I'm going to be using the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. This is going to moisturize our skin and it's also going to give us that dewy looking skin after we apply the foundation. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline BB Fresh, which is kind of like a tinted moisturizer, and it also has SPF in it, so it's going to protect your skin from the sun.
Real Life Women Productions.
For concealer, I'm going to be using the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Concealer.
Real Life Women Productions.
To set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm also going to apply a little bit to my chin. To contour my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Cosmetic Contour Palette.
Real Life Women Productions.
To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Highlight Palette. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be using the Jordana lipstick in the shade 02 Matte Blush. And on top of it, I'm going to be applying the Wet n Wild lip gloss in the shade Rose Gold.
Real Life Women Productions.
By the way, guys, this combination, I've been using it almost every single day lately because I just love how it looks.